no joke, that jump is just like a super kicker. It just lofts you straight up in the air. All right, so I'm just gonna like cruise up to it. I'll probably be in third. I'm just gonna cruise up to it and give it a little gas on the face.
All right.
And I'm just gonna go straight from the parking lot. You can either follow me right away, or you can just see what my speed is and go around it, whatever you feel comfortable with. Racing off his jump, first time he's hit it. Oh my goodness, that was scary as shit. You good? I got it.
Did you see me this?
Dude, I was about this close to you. I'm sure your heart was racing.
Oh yeah, well my back, I was looking down, I was just hoping.
Will you hit the one going over the pond?
Yeah.
You think you will?
Yeah.
It's just third gear, just rip. Go a little bit faster than you were when I was following you.
Alright.
Alright? I know you got it.
Yeah.
Good stuff, Grayson. Let's see you hit this jump. He just conquered it. A little bit faster. There you go. Oh my goodness. A little bit sideways. Scared me a bit. Oh my god. Alright. Holy shit, dude. Water break. Time for a water break. Seriously, like no effort at all to do that outside of that corner. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's no way anyone is clearing that all the way to the landing. No chance. There's no way you can stop in time, at least with the limited traction we got today. I'm sliding on the landings. Just dry sand on top of hard concrete. Woo! All right, get this rut. No! Like I'm throwing a little sideways butt whip thing. Feels cool at least. Probably doesn't look all that cool, but I feel stylish going through the air. Oh my god, it just wants to rip my arms off. Hopefully they're okay. Should I have stopped? Is that messed up of me to not stop? Alright, hit this rut there. I